Welcome to Elk Grove Kids Camp. Thank you so much for joining us today. We are going to share with you a project that we have done at camp. It is called the Walking Rainbow. We need a few supplies. We need all of the washable markers in rainbow colors. And then we are also going to have 2 clear plastic cups and a pitcher full of water. And then also our paper towels and a scissors. So I've started the project already, so it does take about 15 minutes, so I wanted to get it underway so you can see what the end of it looks like. So what I've done here is I have taken the colors of the rainbow and put them on the ends of the paper towel, and I am going to drop it into, just so the tips of it can touch the water in the cup. And as I show you, it should start moving. All right, so we have our paper towel and we are going to just cut it into a small strip using our scissors. Now the kids can definitely do this, or you can do it as well. You'll want to, I did make extra long paper towel pieces because I wasn't sure how large my cup was, but I'm gonna actually spread that apart and then I'm going to cut it again. It doesn't matter. There's no real magic to that. So we're gonna cut it, and then I have my trusty little piece of paper so it doesn't bleed all over the place, but Roy G. Biv, that's how I remember the rainbow. So we are gonna start with red, then orange, then yellow, then our green. Pink is not a color in the rainbow. We have our blue, our purple, and our violet. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna have the end of it here. Remember, we're gonna paint this part as well as this part down here. And we are going to make sure, I'll show you once I get this part done, you're gonna make it a pretty heavy mark. If it is not a heavy mark, it's not going to be as magical. And the kids definitely will love doing this project. So orange is next. And you know what? Even if they mixed up the colors of the rainbow, didn't put them in the order that they are, we sing them in, then it's okay, no big deal. But it is important that we do it in strips. They're gonna be in stripes. So I'm gonna hold this up so you can see what I've done thus far. Just like that. And we're gonna keep going. So after green, we have blue. If some of the stripes are a little bit wider than the others, that's okay, because we're just eyeballing it. And as you know with your kiddos, that it's whatever they're feeling that day is what's gonna happen on the paper, so that's okay. Really no mistakes or anything like that. So I'm almost done. I'm working on my violet, and that one's going to be a little wider. And I am going to finish this part and then show it to you, and then there you go. And I will flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. Remember that when you are doing the opposite side, you should be matching the color that is on the first side over here. So violet will start this way, and then red will be on the furthest side to the right. By magic of video, I was able to go ahead and complete both sides. And then what I would do from here is I would fill up the water in each of the containers and then place the tips with the colors on them in one on each cup. As you see here, you will see it has slowly started moving up along the paper towel, and the one that we did at the beginning of the video. So I hope you enjoy this. It's something great just to play with the kids to do. And thank you for stopping by Elk Grove Kids Camp.
Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel for more crafts and adventures with Elk Grove Kids Camp.